Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer emails from Mailgun to Salesforce step by step clearly. To transfer customer emails from Mailgun to Salesforce, begin by logging into your Mailgun account. Navigate to the Logs section on the Mailgun dashboard. Use the filters to specify the date range for the emails you want to export. Select the relevant emails you wish to transfer. Click on the Export option to download the selected emails in a CSV format. Open your Salesforce account and log in. Navigate to the Data Import Wizard in Salesforce. Select the Launch Wizard option to begin the import process. Choose CSV as the file format for the import. Upload the CSV file containing your Mailgun emails. Map the fields in your CSV to match the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Double-check all mappings to ensure accuracy. Click Next to review your selections. Start the import process by clicking on the Finish button. Monitor the progress of the import to ensure all data is transferred successfully. Once completed, verify that the emails have appeared in the designated Salesforce records. Address any discrepancies or errors that may arise during the import. Your customer emails from Mailgun should now be successfully transferred to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.